Maybe it has crossed your mind, or maybe not. But the fact remains that Jamaica has an abundance of youthful talent. You could say under coach Heimer Hallgrimsson, he's focused a lot of introducing players into the setup that are under the age of 23 years old. March last year of 2023, we saw debutants to a teenager in Dexter Lembakisa. Now he's 20 years of age. But guess what? He's not the only player you could say that is 23 years of age or younger. You have other players part of the squad and also part of the squad that played in the CONCACAF Nations League final in the United States quite recently. Let's start with the goalkeepers. Shaquan Davis. Yes, he's 23 years of age. He made his debut for Jamaica against Trinidad and Tobago earlier in March 2024 in a 0-0 draw in Trinidad and Tobago. Let's go over now to the defenders, shall we? Starting with Dexter Lembakisa, 20 years old and made his debut for Jamaica at 19 years of age. Tavon Gray is another face as well, as he made his debut for Jamaica at 21 years of age against Honduras in the CONCACAF Nations League. And how could we forget Dishon Bernard, who made his debut for Jamaica in the summer of 2023 in a 10-day camp in Austria. We're now going to head over into the midfield options now, and who could forget Karoy Anderson. Karoy Anderson is 19 years of age, and guess what? The 19-year-old made his debut for Jamaica in a 4-1 victory against Grenada in October 2023. And you go a bit further on into the attackers now. Kaheem Dixon. Kaheem Dixon at 19 years old scored on his debut for Jamaica against Trinidad and Tobago in a 1-0 victory in March of 2024. So you're looking at Kaheem Dixon at 19, Karoy Anderson at 19, Dexter Lembakisa at 20 years old, Tavon Gray at 21, Dishon Bernard at 23 years old, the likes of a Richard King at 22 years old, and you have persons that recently got out of that under 23 bracket, if you want to call it that, the likes of a Ronaldo Cephas at 24, a Joel Latibodir at 24 as well. So you could see that there's a number of faces. Who could forget as well? Dejan Whisper Richards, the most caps for a player at 17 years of age. Now he's 18, but the most caps for a Reggae boy at 17 years old, 10 caps to his name already, double digits for him already. So we can certainly say the future is bright for Jamaican football. Youth, exuberance, patriotism, talented group of players. Who knows? This could be the very core that Jamaica needs heading into the 2030 World Cup qualifying cycle.